Welcome back to a new post today. Today let's discuss the most important topics for economy with regard to the UPSC Civil Services examination, and this will be definitely important for the mains 2025 as well as the prelims 2026 as well. The very first is about Centre rolling out the PLI scheme for 11 pharma products. Now, in a push for Make in India, especially for active pharmaceutical ingredients, the government has invited applications for 11 pharma products. PLI scheme, or Production Linked Manufacturing Scheme as it is called, it was launched in the aftermath of the COVID in 2020 to 21 to give a push to the manufacturing sector. The ambitious target of the scheme is to increase the percentage of manufacturing to 25% of the GDP by 2025. But the sad part is this hasn't been achieved yet. We are still around 16 to 17% of the GDP compared to our neighbors China and Vietnam, which are already 26% and 24% of the GDP with regard to the manufacturing data according to the World Bank. Now, the Centre's Department of Pharmaceuticals is inviting applications from drug makers for the Production Linked Incentive Scheme to encourage setting up of manufacturing capacities for 11 eligible products. These include neomycin, gentamicin, erythromycin, streptomycin, tetracycline, ciprofloxacin and diclofenac sodium figure in the list. These are either unsubscribed or partially subscribed eligible products. The department said the notification will benefit the pharmaceutical companies. The Department of Pharmaceuticals' decision is in continuation with the government's emphasis to encourage domestic manufacturing of critical key starting materials, drug intermediaries and active pharmaceutical ingredients which we mostly import. Now, government rolled out this for 14 sectors. This scheme was rolled out for 14 sectors like bulk drugs, medical devices and pharma, on an eye to boost production, generate jobs and also boost exports, along with increasing the percentage of manufacturing in the country. The Pharmaceutical Export Promotion Council of India has urged the members to take advantage of this decision of the Government of India. In pharmaceutical, let's look at a brief idea of the pharma sector in India. We are the third largest by volume in the world as of 2024. We supply 60% of the global vaccines and also 20% of the global generics as well. And we import almost 60 to 70% of active pharmaceutical ingredients or APIs. Now, these are biologically active component of the drug that produces the desired therapeutic effect, and APIs are primary ingredients in medicine responsible for the medicinal action. APIs combined with inactive ingredients to create the final product or the tablet or the capsule that we usually consume when we are sick. So this is going to be a push to the pharmaceutical sector and mostly to critical materials, critical drugs and drug intermediaries as well as APIs as well. The next most important issue is about 10th meeting of NITI Ayog with regard to yesterday. So we have the 10th meeting of the apex body of NITI Ayog which was set up in 2015 to replace the Planning Commission, and it includes all the chief ministers. The apex body or the NITI Ayog Governing Council is chaired by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, has a vice chairman, and also includes all the chief ministers of the states, lieutenant governors of the union territories, chief minister of Delhi, Puducherry, Jammu and Kashmir and other union ministers who are ex officio members. Prime Minister Narendra Modi is the chairman. We also have a CEO of NITI Ayog. Now, this meeting was held in Delhi yesterday and the theme is Viksit Rajya for Viksit Bharat at 2047. The Governing Council is discussing this approach of Viksit Rajya for Viksit Bharat by 2047. During this discussion, Prime Minister Narendra Modi asked the states to develop at least one tourist destination on par with global standards and to provide all facilities and infrastructure so that this tourist destination can be recognized with the state and also attract tourists from all over the world. The Prime Minister also emphasized one state, one global destination, saying it would lead to development of the neighboring cities as tourist places as well. The agenda for the 10th meeting of the Governing Council of NITI Ayog is Viksit Rajya for Viksit Bharat, promoting entrepreneurship, employment, skilling, leveraging the demographic dividend, as we are the most populous nation position in the world today, and manufacturing services enabling ecosystem focus on tier 2 and tier 3 cities, MSME, informal employment, opportunities in green economy, renewable energy and circular economy as well. Now, during this meeting, Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister Chandrababu Naidu proposed 3 subgroups on GDP growth, population management and leveraging artificial intelligence as well. Tamil Nadu Chief Minister M.K. Stalin called for enhancing the state share in central taxes to 50% and underscored the necessity for a dedicated urban transformation mission. Kerala, Karnataka, West Bengal, Bihar, Puducherry did not attend the NITI Ayog Governing Council meeting. CEO BVR Subramaniam said that the focus of the meeting is on agriculture, education and healthcare. Telangana Chief Minister Revanth Reddy proposed setting up of a task force headed by the Prime Minister, constituting the respective Chief Ministers to turn the 6 metropolitan cities to reap the full economic potential of the 6 metropolitan cities of Mumbai, Delhi, Bengaluru, Kolkata, Chennai and Hyderabad. Jharkhand Chief Minister called for changing a provision in the Coal Bearing Areas Act, demanding that the companies return the land to the state government after mining activities. Uttarakhand Chief Minister said drainage issues in the cities have become a major challenge due to rapid urbanization and called for formulation of a special plan at the national level to address the problem. So we can see Haryana Chief Minister laid a roadmap to become a 1 trillion economy by 2047. So these were some of the suggestions and the proposals given by the various ministers, chief ministers of the states when they attended the apex meeting of the NITI Ayog, that's the Governing Council meeting. So it's a body which ensures cooperative federalism and also discussion and proposal to lay the roadmap for the government of India's policy initiatives. So these were the most important points I thought I should be tracking for you all with regard to the Governing Council meeting, what exactly has happened and how the ministers come with the proposals to the Prime Minister, where all the states are on one platform to discuss issues, proposals and also bring out solutions to the major issues facing the Indian economy and the government. So these are the important points. If you did, please do like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to comment at the end of the video. I shall see you in a new post tomorrow. Until then, it's very happy learning.